Edo State government defies Supreme Court. Tinubu says suspended LGA chairman remains suspended. I don't want to believe this is true. Tinubu says something and you are saying otherwise. There is an LG autonomy and you don't have a right to suspend LGA chairman. What kind of a governor is this one? Who is pushing you? They are just pushing you to your fall, because I don't understand how Tinubu will say this, the Supreme Court will say this, and you are saying you will disobey Russia. That's why people always disobey the law. Because LGA chairman, you don't have a right over them to tell them that they are suspended. Who are you? The governor, They've given LG their freedom. They have autonomy. So they no longer answer to governors again. So why are you saying that you are suspending them and that it remains? So Tinubu should shut up. Is that what you are saying? And the Supreme Court too should swallow their judgment. Because I don't understand. I don't even want to believe it is true. Governor Monday Okpebholo's decision to suspend the chairman and vice chairman of Edo State 18 local government areas has ignited a constitutional debate, with critics questioning the legality of the move in light of the Supreme Court's landmark July 11 judgment affirming local government autonomy, except the autonomy is just a play because nobody obeys the law again. Probably all the governors now, probably most of them have done the same thing that he is trying to do. And most of them are not accepting this autonomy because they still want to keep collecting money that belongs to the local government, that is supposed to be used to fix local government. They still want to pocket it. So you are fighting local government, fighting Tinubu, fighting Supreme Court, because I don't get it. The suspension, announced after allegations of insubordination and failure to submit financial reports leveled by the governor against the local government chairman, has been defended by the Edo State government as lawful. Speaking on Channels Television in a heated interview, Barrister Andrew Nwanta, a member of the administrative panel of inquiry set up by the governor, argued that the state acted within its constitutional authority, as the Supreme Court ruling, which guarantees local government autonomy, cannot override the Nigerian Constitution that created a rule for the Governor and State Assembly to provide oversight in the affairs of the council. I don't understand. They say somebody has autonomy, you are still looking for oversight, you are still wanting to controlling them, telling them to bring their financial reports. What's your business with their financial reports? Barrister Nwanta defiantly stated that the Constitution has placed local governments under state control, and that remains the law. It is now for the National Assembly to give them full political independence like states enjoy, but that is not currently the case. They are not an independent organ or tier of government. They are under the control of the states. Since when? Since when? That has ceased to exist since they gave these people autonomy. Or what is this autonomy about? Because I don't understand how this person did this lawyer go to school, or what are they saying? Financial autonomy is about giving them access, but that does not mean state government does not have control over how they use that money. The Supreme Court cannot amend the Constitution. Okay, Section 7 of the Constitution remains, though. However, legal experts and stakeholders have pointed to the Supreme Court's clear pronouncement on local government autonomy. The court's judgment unequivocally stated that state governments cannot dissolve or interfere in the affairs of democratically elected local councils, declaring such actions unconstitutional and void. They say you cannot interfere. You say they are still under you. So which person is English disturbing like this? The Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and the Minister of Justice, Chief Lateef Olasunkami Fagbemisan, has also weighed in, describing the suspension as illegal, very illegal. Under the present dispensation, the governor has no right to remove any local government chairman, Fagbemi stated, referencing the Supreme Court ruling. The removal of any local government official is the exclusive prerogative of that council's legislative house. The Association of Local Government of Nigeria, ALGON, has condemned the suspension as an abuse of power. He is doing way too much. And people that are pushing him, they'll just push him inside fire. In a statement issued on Thursday, the association described the action as a violation of due process and called on the governor and the Edo State House of Assembly to reverse the decision. This move contradicts the Supreme Court's judgment and undermines the autonomy guaranteed to local governments, the statement reads. Political analysts suggest that the unfolding controversy could escalate into a constitutional showdown especially as Governor Okpebholo mandate is being challenged at the Edo State Election Tribunal. This is not just about local government autonomy, it is about the relationship between state governments, local councils, and judiciary role in upholding the constitution. One analyst noted, President Tinubu has been the leading champion and advocate for local government authority. It is curious that it will be one of his own party's governors who would be seeking to undermine his authority so publicly, very publicly. Observers say the situation could test the Supreme Court's authority, given its definitive ruling against state interference in local councils. In its enrollment order, the court explicitly stated that state governments lack the power to manage, control, or disburse local government funds or suspend elected officials. But you are saying no, it stands, Abi. Okay, now let's see how it goes. With the Edo State government standing firm on its position and Algon calling for federal intervention, all eyes are now on the judiciary and President Tinubu's administration to determine the next step in what is shaping up to be a significant constitutional dispute. Exactly. So let's see how the showdown is going to go. Who is going to be the winner? Because I don't understand. Oh no, Anthony says the problem is not Monday himself. The problem is those godfather who put him in there. So he does not have a mind of his own. They put you there, so they should be controlling you. You don't have a mind of your own and say, oh no, this thing does not make any sense. They are pushing you forward. At the end of the day, now they will push you and then they will leave you behind. Can't you have a mind of your own? Because I don't understand. Dogara Abulo says, Cotonou lawyers are bound everywhere, everywhere. Because this lawyer, obviously don't pass through law school, because if not, what is this that he's saying? Anolefo says this guy is only showing his level of illiteracy. I thought those noisemakers around him should have advised him that he doesn't have power to sack elected local government chairman. At least the Supreme Court decided that, and now he's disobeying the Supreme Court, because those ones too, they don't tie what's it called, corn to their waist. So chicken is pursuing them up and down. If not, who dares disrespect a court judgment? Because you are the governor, the suspension still stands. Can you just imagine? But the other people says, I never see anything. This is dividend of bad governance and demonstration of crazy called demon crazy. Edo people, happy Kwas government, no be small happy Kwas government, because this their governor. I don't know where they brought him from. I don't know. At least have a mind of your own. Have a mind of your own. You just go there. They are telling you to do this one, do that one, do this one, and you too, you'll be doing it. Everything they tell you to do, you do. You don't think. Now, wow. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.